Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And now that we've begun exploring different populations and more specifically how we're describing different populations as they relate to our Newt phenomenon, let's go ahead and take a look at this idea of traits versus features so we can be informed on how we talk about a population of a species rather than just an individual. So population is like a group within a species, and then a individual is one particular within that group. Now, in similar thinking, a feature, okay, is something that we group within a population to describe big ideas or big observations we have. So, an example or something we need to know in terms of features is that our population of butterflies here, they all have one or more color on their wings. So, an example of a feature with this specific population would be its wing color. Okay, so the wing color is the actual feature. Now, notice, even though we have this specific feature, okay, all these different butterflies or members of this species and population can have different wing colors or different patterns on their wing colors and so forth. So think of features like the groups of things we describe within a population, whereas the traits, on the other hand, are the specific characteristics of the individual. So the different versions of those features. So, for example, we could describe this one as having, I don't know, yellow on one wing and then yellow and brown on the other. So those are the specific versions of this group or feature within this species. So features are like the groups of things we describe within a population. Traits are the specific things we talk about when we look at maybe one particular, or in this case, one butterfly. So those are the two ways we describe not only the population as a whole, but individuals within that population. Okay. So now that we kind of have a breakdown of that, we're going to look at answering a question about this population of butterflies in your Amplify slideshow. You might need to pause this video. You might need to refresh the slideshow so you can kind of see the image of the butterflies. But if you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.